What kind of beats do you recommend people make right now? So now, Kyle Knockwood Music, you're probably new to my channel. I've always told people to have a diverse section in your catalog. First and foremost, let's change the terminology of beats and start using productions, because that alone changes how you'll make your music. So start saying productions versus beats, because producers is what the industry want versus beat makers. Okay, and I'll explain that because people don't understand the difference. Producers are all in honing and crafting the project, from the production aspect of the music making to the artist and their vocal references that they put on their music. However, what everyone is looking for is diverse. Do not limit yourself. And this was in my webinar. So if you guys didn't catch the webinar, make sure you go back and check the replay out. But this was in my webinar. What everyone is looking for is diversity. Get out of hip hop, guys. If you're going to do hip hop, merge hip hop, infuse hip hop with a little rock, a little pop, a little East Indian. Okay, think about what was a song a while ago? It was called Contagious, if I'm not mistaken. Contagious had a hip hop beat with a East Indian vibe. You know what I mean? It's called So Contagious. I can't remember the artist's name, but that infusion created something different. Think outside the box, because your music, guys, as musicians, as artists or songwriter, whatever you are, producers, your general audience, your clientele base is every genre of music. Every genre of music. Stop being comfortable with hip hop. Every genre of music is where you guys control. I told you guys before, you guys control emotions. You control emotions. Go to your favorite movie tonight when you get a chance, or when you get over here, go watch one of your favorite, I don't care what movie it is, just watch your favorite movie, and listen to the music and how it controls the images. If you take away the music, the film does not have the same effect. Take away the music and just have the vocalization of the actors, the film don't have the same effect. And so you guys, I keep telling you, are the most powerful beings on the planet. You're the most powerful beings on the planet, next to babies, because babies, when they cry, they elicit an emotion. So my point behind that is, don't think of what type of beat you should be doing. Think of what type of productions you should be doing. Think about what type of genres that you've always been interested in, that you need to start developing your skills, because that's how you become a multi-millionaire. You see? Dre deals with us and deals with us for one simple reason. We can go into the studio and do anything. We can work with anything: rock and roll, country, dubstep, hip hop, reggae. We can do it all. So as producers, don't limit yourself to a genre of music. But what I also want you guys to understand is, learn that music controls emotions. It's what you can elicit out of your listener that determines how good you are. That's how they can imagine if you're great or not. That's how they separate the greats from just the people that are good. You don't want to just be good. There's a lot of people that's good at music. You want to be the great because you're really paying attention to music. You're really paying attention and understanding the science of music. You get what I'm saying? That's what makes great producers. That's what make the greats like Quincy Jones and them stick out, right? So that was a great question. I appreciate you asking that. And I hope that I answered your question as well. This is a science, and it's those who think outside the box and pay attention to what's going on that makes it, Flanty. If you're not paying attention, you're watching YouTube videos, you're watching all these people, you're not understanding what's going on. That's the difference between those who just want something and those who understand how they go and get it. You have to understand how the demographics of a thing work.